This is the brief on Canada's Sustainable Finance Taxonomy. Look, we've got a massive $115 billion annual investment gap to hit our 2050 net zero goals. And this standardized financial classification system is literally the essential tool we need to unlock that capital and keep our industries globally competitive. So how do we actually get there? First, we absolutely have to tackle greenwashing. Right now, market benchmarks are kind of just a subjective mess, right? But this taxonomy steps in as a strict, science-based referee overseen jointly by the federal government and the financial sector. Think of it like a nutritional label for your investments. It totally eliminates the guesswork and proves an investment is truly climate-aligned. Second, the actual industry implementation is broken down into a few super straightforward steps. Companies got to set real, overarching net zero targets and then categorize their projects. Are they green, like building EV batteries or green hydrogen? Or are they transition, like upgrading a heavy steel plant with an electric arc furnace? Crucially, they also have to pass a do no significant harm test. After all, what good is a green project if it destroys a vital wetland or violates indigenous rights in the process? Finally, let's look at the long-term economic impacts. Liberating all this transition capital prevents our heavy industry assets from becoming stranded, which ensures our long-term global competitiveness and aggressively accelerates the whole country toward those 2050 net zero goals. Ultimately, this taxonomy isn't just about saving the environment. It's a rigorous financial playbook to future-proof the entire economy.